What's up YouTube? It's your girl Chanel Banks at it again with another banger. In today's video, if you don't know by the title, we're about to do custom print t-shirts for under $10, alright? Under $10. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, turn on post notifications so you know when new videos are coming up, and also I will list everything you will need in the description box down below, so make sure you go check that out, and also watch this video throughout so you know how to do everything step by step. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, now first things first, what you will need are a pack of t-shirts. I got these at my local department store. They come with 5 t-shirts, assorted colors, so if you want different kind of colored t-shirts, you should get those. Plastic wrap, around $3 at your local grocery store. Parchment paper, also around $3. You will need your printed images, alright? And if you don't have a printer at home, don't worry, just print it out at the library, print it out at the UPS store, anywhere that's available or near you. And you will also need scissors, any kind of scissors. I have 2 here, shears and also school scissors, as well as your iron. All right, you really need this. All right, so first you want to start out by cutting your image, making sure you get it nice and neat. And guys, make sure you take your time when you're cutting your image. You don't want it to look messy on your shirt. Make sure you take your time. Cut all the little white parts out. Okay, so after you cut your image, we are going to take the plastic wrap. Make sure it is as straight as it can be when you are wrapping the image. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is ironing out this shirt to make sure that everything is straight and neat. Okay, so now we're going to cut a piece of parchment paper just about the size of your image, but a little bit bigger. All right. Spread it like that. It comes with its own little thing so you can rip it. Set that aside. And we are going to position the image onto the shirt, okay? Okay, now we're going to take our hot iron and we're going to start ironing on the image. Now you guys want to be careful, you want to take your time, and you want to make sure your iron is hot, okay? And we're going to start by securing the corners of the image first. Make sure you guys take your time when you're doing this. It will be steamed. And when you're doing this, you also want to take your time. Make sure you get the corners right. Don't be afraid of burning anything. That's what the parchment paper is for. And you want to do this for about a good 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the picture is secure. and laid down properly. Take your time, get the corners. There's steam, don't worry. Okay, now that you're all done, you want to make sure everything is cooled off and ready. And you could peel.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Very nice. It's looking very nice, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all up close. Okay, let me give you guys one more look on the final product. Yeah, this is so good. So cute, you guys. It would be also cute to wear this as a dress, like if this was oversized. Very cute. Can I say Bob and forget to smoke? Hey, hey. Oh shoot. This looks really wavy, y'all. Make sure y'all try this at home and let me know in the comments down below how it was doing this. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe down below, turn on post notifications for more lit videos, and thank you for joining. Bye!
I'm with whatever. I'm with everything. Like, I'm with it all.